This is how to use 2 SIM cards on your iPhone. It's pretty easy and very straightforward. All you need to do is to convert one of your SIM cards into an eSIM, most preferably MTN, because that's what I've been using for the last 1 year and it is really stable. I have no issues and my eSIM works just like my physical SIM. What this means is that you're going to convert your physical plastic SIM card into a digital SIM card, which means you're not going to have any plastic SIM card to put inside the phone, which leaves the SIM slot empty. Now, to get an eSIM, you need to go to your network provider's office or stores that are close to you. Do not visit roadside vendors. Those guys are going to take your money and they won't be able to swap your SIM card to an eSIM. iPhones that are compatible with eSIMs are the iPhone XR, the iPhone XS, the iPhone XS Max and above. Anything below these phones will not be able to use an eSIM. Once you get to your network provider's office, you need to tell them to print out the QR code that will be used to activate the eSIM on your phone. This QR code is really important because that is the way you'll be able to swap your SIM card from one phone to another. Once the eSIM is activated on your phone, you can then pop in your second SIM card into your phone since you no longer have any SIM card in the SIM tray anymore. For me, I use my MTN and my Airtel SIM card, and if you want to make phone calls on your iPhone, be rest assured that you can select which SIM card you want to make that phone call from. You will receive text messages from both SIM cards, you will receive calls from both SIM cards. It's pretty amazing that we can do this. I don't know why Apple didn't tell us this. So now you know how to use 2 SIM cards on your iPhone. Ciao guys.